Good morning student. Today we are going to learn page number 72 and today we learn subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. In this we need to do this with 4 steps, so let's study step by step. First we will subtract 513 from 786. Okay, so step number 1 we need to do. First of all, we will write these number in a column like this way. Okay, then step number 2, we subtract 1 digit. You know, we always start with from our 1 style. So 1 digit we will going to subtract 6 minus 3, 3. Then we will write 3 in 1's column. Step number 3, we will subtract now 10's digit. 8 minus 1, 7. We will write 7 in the 10's column. Step number 4, we will subtract the 100 digit. 7 minus 5, 2. And we will write 2 in 100 column. So this same way we are going to subtract these numbers. Okay, so let's study. We will start with our one side. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, 5 minus 1, 4. 8 minus 6. Now 6 is already subtracted. Now remaining 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Children, you remember how to subtract? 6 minus 5. Okay, so here are my 6 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember? Now we need to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These we have subtracted already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how many left? Only 1. So we will write here 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 131 is our answer. Clear? 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 3, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. Now we'll do page number 73. 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1. How many left? 1. 2 minus 1, again 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. Children, here you have noticed that here backward counting is written. 6 before 5 is coming. So obviously, how many number will left? 1. See, 8 minus 7, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. It is a backward counting. Okay. Now see, 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 2. Okay, so let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 7, right? Now we need to subtract 2. So 1, 2. Here is my 2. Then the remaining one we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write here 5. 3 minus 0. Now we have 3 number and we are subtracting 0. 0 does not have any value. So that means nothing is subtracted. We will carry forward this 3 downside. Okay. 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 0. Again this way. When 0 is coming, we need to write the same value downside. Okay. 4 minus 1, 3. 9 minus 6. How much? 3. Okay. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 3. Again, I'm telling you how to do this. Here, 7 is written. So, in your finger, count 7. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Till here we have counted 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Now we need to subtract 3. So we will subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. So this much is already subtracted. Now the remaining one we need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here 4. Clear? And the remaining one is your homework. Now we are going to learn page number 74, subtraction of 3-digit number with borrowing. You have already learned this concept in the previous chapter. We will revise it again. Borrowing from hundreds. Again we need to follow some steps. So let's study. Here we need to subtract 172 from 324. So step number 1, we will subtract the 1 digit first. Here first we write in columns, right? Then first we will subtract the 1's digit. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. So here we have written 2, right? Then here 2 minus 7. As you can see, 2 is smaller than 7, right? So 2 cannot subtract 7 because 7 is bigger. So we borrow from 100, right? So we borrow 100 from 300. So we will borrow from 100 place. Now this 3 become 2 and this 2 become 12, right? Then now we can minus 7 from 12. Okay, so 12 minus 7 is 5. Now this 100 places become 2, right? Change the 100 digit from 3 to 7. We will change this. Now then step number 4, we subtract this way. Okay, now with the last step we will subtract 2 minus 1. So it will become 152. So let's start our exercise. Here see, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. How much? 1. So we will write here 1. Exactly. Now 5 minus 6. 5 is smaller, 6 is bigger, so it cannot be subtracted. So now we will ask 100 place to give. So this 2 become 1 and this 5 become 15. Now we can minus. So 15 minus 6. 1, 2, 3. Now 6 is already minus. Okay. Now after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Till here 15 is coming. Now we will count these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write here 9. And here 1. So we will copy it. Clear? Now the next one. 5 minus 4, 1. Now again 1 is smaller. So we cannot subtract 3. We will borrow from 100. 4 become 3 and 1 become 11. Now 3 we need to subtract from 11. 3 already subtracted. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we will count till here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write here 8. Now 3 minus 2, 1. Same way we will do this one. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. We cannot minus 8 from 7. So we will carry from 100 places. 2 become 1 and 7 become 17. Right? Now we will minus. 8 is already subtracted. Now after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now how much this is? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write here 9 and this one we will write downside because there is no number to subtract, right? Now this one. 4 minus 3, 1. 7 minus 8, just now we have done. This becomes 17 and this becomes 8. 17 minus 8, 9. And 8 minus 6, 2. Clear? Now we will do this one. 8 minus 7, 1. 6 is smaller, so it cannot subtract 7. So we will take from 3. It will become 2 and the 6 becomes 16. Now again we minus, 7 is already subtracted. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And this is our 9 number. So we will write here 9. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. Now see children, 0 is smaller, right? We cannot subtract this. So again we will borrow from 100 place. The 6 become 5. Here we are writing backward number. Have you noticed that before 6, 5 is coming? So we are writing here because we are deducting 1 from these places, right? So this 6 become 5 and this 0 become 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. 5 minus 2, 4. Sorry, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. Next we will do 8 minus 7, 1. Again we cannot subtract 2 from 0. So this 0 become 10. 4 become 3. So 10 minus 2, 8. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Cannot subtract 8 from 4. So this 9 become 8. 4 become 14. Don't forget to do subtraction here also. Okay. Do the changes in 100 place as well. Now 14 minus 8. How much? Now after 8 is already subtracted. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Because here we have written 14. So till 14 we will count. Now we will count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is my 6. 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 6. How much? We cannot subtract, right? Because 6 is bigger number. So what we do, children? We will borrow. This 8 becomes 7 and this 3 become 13. Now 13 minus 6. 6 is already subtracted. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we will count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will write here 7. Now 7 minus 5, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. This 2 is smaller, so we cannot subtract 5 from 2. 6 become 5 and 2 become 12. 12 minus 5. 5 is already subtracted. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now this is our 7. So we will write here 7. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 0. 0 does not have any value. So we will write here 2. 3 minus 4 again. 3 is smaller. We cannot subtract. This 7 becomes 6. 3 become 13. Now we need to subtract 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And this is our 9 number. So we will write here 9. 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 5, can we subtract? No. So we will take this from 100. 3 become 2. 3 become here 13. So 13 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write here 8. 2 minus 1, 1. I hope you understood. We just need to borrow. Okay. And then here don't forget to change the 100 place. You need to do minus 1. Okay. And you need to here add 1 before. So the next is your homework.